One of the hallmark projects of NCC, OOPS, the Oasis of Professionals, is located in the heart of Espoon. Based in the major junction of Ring Road KH1, the main railroad and forthcoming Jokerai light rail, the Leppävaara region is a swiftly developing city center with an outstanding location and reachability. The grand vision of NCC is for OOPS to become a new lively area in itself, an oasis of encounter. Brand new flexible office spaces, retail locations, hotel accommodations, and leisure activities will draw people together even from greater distances. Sustainable construction is a major keyword for the complete life cycle of the area. All separate office construction projects aim for a BREEAM Sustainability Assessment rating Excellent. The first phase of the project was completed in August 2021, as almost all of the 18,500 square meters of office space in buildings A and B were handed over to the tenants. NCC secured as an anchor tenant the Finnish headquarters of technology company Trimble. This was a kickstart for the project. Working with a vast selection of Trimble's technology is a new approach for NCC, and it expands beyond the typical process of virtual design and construction. For this purpose, NCC's first digital engineer was hired. Offering technical expertise and know-how at the site brings advantages to all stakeholders. Technical and IT-related concerns can be solved efficiently, and a boost in productivity with technology can be seen. Using modern technology to the fullest in virtual design and construction confirms that decisions can be made swiftly and on point, thus preventing costly errors or reworks.
I think one of the highlights was the way NCC used Trimble Connect to share models with us at an early stage before anything had been built. And this allowed us to check certain solutions and how things were being built or planned. And as an example, we could have a look at the event stairs in virtual reality early on. So we have a big screen that originally was planned to be a fixed installment, but we noticed that that wouldn't work for people sitting closer by. So we changed the plan and the implementation, and now you can lower the screen during the sessions.
With the release of new innovative technology, the Trimble XR10 and HoloLens 2 virtual helmet was introduced on a construction site for the first time in Finland. HVAC designs were visualized in a never-before-seen way that left nothing up for interpretation. In addition, when physical presence at the site can't be justified, a Teams meeting with XR10 is the solution. In collaboration with Aalto University, Trimble and Boston Dynamics, Spot the Robot Dog visited the construction site and provided insight to where the construction industry is headed. Utilizing robotics to gather data automatically at the construction site holds great promise for the not-so-far-away future.
In the Trimble Showcase, we had a great example of a large project that we were able to gain a huge amount of practical information from. And the ultimate goal for NCC as a data-driven company is to actually learn what we can do with that data and how that customer value and those synergies are actually created.
Sustainable development starts with the first designs. The well-being and diversity of local nature have played a great role throughout the process and will breathe life into the area as the development goes on. The environmentally protected Monikanpora Brook that runs through the office campus brings nature close and supports the well-being of all office users and visitors. While sunlight may be scarce in Finland during wintertime, its potential is extracted to the fullest here. Natural light is greatly utilized, and solar panels energize the building and electric vehicles alike. The rest of the lighting, heating, and ventilation are automatically adjusted during the day, and water consumption is carefully monitored. With Phase 1 of the project, the first office buildings were finished on schedule, and the new tenants are enjoying their brand new premises.
Now that the project is almost fully let, it's a good time for NCC to transfer our focus towards the next plots in the same area. We have a retail plot, a hotel plot, and more office plots as well. The new Jokerai light rail will be in use by around 2024, and we aim to have another office building here in the area up and running by that time around as well.